Hey guys, this is Andrew, and this is GoneKilting. I'm driving through the country on my way home this afternoon. We got some pretty good rain earlier today. In some areas out here, we supposedly got 3 to 5 inches. I don't know how true that is, but on my way home, I had to reroute because I couldn't quite pass at a bridge crossing, and I turned around before I realized that I had got my brand new camera and that I could record a video. So I rerouted, and I wanted to come back around to the bridge so that you guys could see what I see. If y'all give me a minute, I'm gonna get a shot for y'all. Come here, my precious. Alright guys, I know the video is gonna be kind of bouncy, but I want you guys to see what I see with the high water. This is what 3 to 5 inches of rain does to us out in the country. I'll show you guys the horses out in this pasture so y'all can get a scale of how serious this water is. The bridge that I wanted to cross on my way home is underwater by about 6 feet. We have some locals out spectating and some horses in the pasture. About 150 yards behind, 200 yards behind these horses, there's actually a large pond or stock tank. Depends on what part of the state you're from. But yeah, there's a little creek that's supposed to run through here, and this is what a deluge of rain will do in one day. But I kind of wanted to get a shot of the farmland down here that only has grazing cattle on it because it goes underwater so bad. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this very well, but that's all water right there.
Hey everybody, this is Josh with GoneKilting. I'm currently standing at the Upper Simpson River at 45.
Alright guys, so like I said, it's an update to GoneKilting. Just wanted to show y'all what I encountered on my way home today, and with that, see y'all later.